Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making stuffed pepper soup. I got this recipe from a dear sweet lady that I used to work with. Her name was Anna, and this is actually the first time I'm trying this. All the recipes that she did give me I have tried, and they have been really good, so I cannot wait to try this. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is 1.5 to 2 pounds of ground beef, a quart of water, 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes with the liquid, 2 cups of cooked rice. Okay, you need 2 cups of peppers diced, salt and pepper to taste, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I have Splenda brown sugar, so that it's lower in sugar. A quart of beef broth. I've got the organic, fat-free, and 2 beef bouillon cubes. The first thing I'm going to do is brown the ground meat. Since my ground meat is so lean, I use water so that it doesn't stick. But if you're using just regular ground meat, you want to drain the fat. So we'll be back after that's done. Okay, the ground meat is nice and browned. And at this point, if you use the regular ground meat, definitely drain any fat. This is actually ground sirloin tip, so there's almost no fat. My body cannot handle fat anymore. Alright, now I'm going to add the 1 quart or 4 cups of water. And a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. And a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes with its liquid. And then the 2 cups of rice. And you can add more rice, more peppers, whatever you want. You make this your soup. This is just what Anna's recipe called for. Okay, now I'm going to add the 2 cups of green peppers. And this is actually just 2 large peppers, and they're diced up pretty tiny. Although they're still thick enough to be able to bite into, which is my favorite way. Okay, and then the 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And like I said, in my case, it's Splenda. And there's the 2 beef bouillon cubes. And the 32 ounces of beef broth. And I'm going to stir this on a regular basis. I'm going to bring this up to a boil. And then I'm going to reduce the heat and simmer it for 30 to 40 minutes until it cooks down a bit. And we'll be back when it's been cooking. Okay, this has been cooking for 30 minutes and it has started to thicken up very nicely. And I think I'm going to leave it as is. I could cook it another 10 minutes. I don't think it's really going to make a difference, because I can already tell that the green peppers are really cooked through. So I'm going to plate this up. And when it cools down, I'm going to give it a taste. My entire house right now smells like stuffed peppers. But I think you can see how hot that is. So, we'll be back. Okay, I'm going to give this a taste. I know it smells really good. Still a little hot. Oh my gosh, that is really good. It's a little sweeter than I thought it would be, but it is incredibly good. So, I think I'm going to be making this one more. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.